Hi, it's Matt, and what I'm going to introduce you today is our Ford Transit Custom Predator body kit. Now, many of you may already have seen this on our social media channels and floating about. You may have even seen some on the road, but what I'm going to introduce you to is all the different elements of this kit one by one. So where I'll start is up at this grille. So this is a direct replacement grille. All you need to do is literally take out the OE grille and put this one back in. It's designed to fit perfectly. So what you've got a black gloss. It's got a nice aggressive honeycomb design. We've got the Predator shield in there as well. And also, if you can just see, we have actually got the 3 individual LEDs, the daytime running lights that come on there as well. Now, the next bit is this front valance. So, and it is a valance, it's not a replacement front bumper. So the reasons for doing that are so we can get a bit more of an aggressive design behind that. It's designed to perfectly fit the contours. But the next thing is some of you have got lease vans and things as well. What that enables you to do is to remove the kit, and if you were to get a new lease van after it, you can actually put that kit back onto it. So the kit comes fully colour coded to the van's colour. As you'll see, this is grey matter, so this is a fairly new colour to this custom. But where that differs from other kits on the market as well is you don't have the hassle of sort of like getting the kit, taking it to your local body shop and painting it. These are currently sat on the shelf in all the different colours. It is available in L1 and L2, so short wheelbase, long wheelbase, and we've got a different option for the rear spoiler as well. So those of you who know Transit Customs, they either come with a barn door or a lift-up door. So we have a rear spoiler on there that is also colour coded that we'll go around to shortly, split in the middle or in one piece. So yeah, as I mentioned, colour coded, really aggressive design. It always comes in body colour and black gloss. So you've got sort of a honeycomb design that mirrors onto the grille on there as well. Fully vented, but one of the key features as well is with this kit, it does enable you to be able to use your existing parking sensors. So it just works as if it was just a normal standard van, but with that great look that you get from it as well. You've got a little pop-out cover there for your tow ball as well, so everything has actually been thought of. So that's pretty much the front balance. As I move round to the side, there's a few more elements that we've got on here as well. So we have got an arch kit, and that's been designed perfectly to work with the offset of this 20-inch Predator Hurricane wheel. So with this kit, you've got 2 options of wheels. So you've got this iconic design, and you've also got another design which is Viper as well. Now they're available in 18-inch and 20-inch, and they're fully load rated to the van's load capacity as well. So you've got your arches on there. You've also got a full side skirt, which is Predator branded as well. Now, as I mentioned, the difference in the vans, we do have them for L1 and L2, and the only difference is the length of side skirt. What we've got on the back is we've got a one-piece wheel arch as well that integrates lovely into this rear valance. Now, as I move around, I'll just talk to you about some of the aspects on here as well. So, like the front valance, what we have got is we've got a 2-tone system on there. So you've got your grey matter, so you've always got your body colour, and then you've got your black gloss that has got these nice little aero fins on there as well that makes it look really aggressive. We've got some exhaust tips on there, and just makes the rear of it look really, really cool. As I move up to the top, I spoke to you earlier about the spoiler. Now this is how it comes as standard. So again, like the rear bumper, it comes as a 2-tone. So we've got a nice black gloss finish underneath, and then the body colour on top. This, as you can see, is a normal barn door van. So you've got your split on there. But for them tailgate users as well, we have got a one-piece spoiler with some fins, some aero fins on there. And I think my favourite is the back of the van. I think when you're following one of these down the road, it just looks great. So another element to what we currently offer for the Transit Custom, and to be fair, not just the Transit Custom, we cover every single UK van, all the different wheelbases and roof heights as well, is our unique bespoke racking system. If I just open these back doors here, you can see what I'm talking about.